Good morning, students. Today, in lecture number 6, we are going to study article section once again because this article section I have divided into 8 lectures because in lecture number 6 we are going to deal with article section where or in such situation we can't use article means the no article section we are going to study here because before that in the first two lectures we have studied about the use of article a and an indefinite article. Third and fourth lecture we have studied discussed in detail the section of article the and its uses the definite article the. And today in this lecture we are going to study the no article section, and after that in lecture number 7 we will in lecture number 7 and 8 we will practice the article section along with the examples of page number 8 and 9 of the text or of the book. Dear students, one thing you remember, I just forgot you to tell that this is a book which is prescribed for your study. The book is entitled as Written and Spoken Communication in English. This book is for your compulsory English paper of the both semesters, means for the semester 1 that which we are studying now, and the next semester this book is useful, and this is the only book that is recommended prescribed by the university, and the very content in the book that I have given you in the form of the syllabus, that is means this basic grammar, basic composition, basic phonetics, basic conversation, means all the four sections of grammar, composition, phonetics and conversation are for your both the semesters. So you meanwhile go to the market and purchase this book which is very useful for you, and this book is not only useful for the study of BCom first year compulsory English, but this book will definitely useful for your whole life, because not only you but coming generations also will study this book, because this book is contained with the very useful basic along with the modern English grammar, writing practices, letter writing, active voice, prepositions, articles, degree, letter writing, paragraph writing, essay writing, phonetics, dialogues and conversations which are also very useful for in our routine life for our communication. So universities press you just go through it and purchase this book, one thing. And after that today we are going to study the section is of no article. So in the previous lectures, in the previous 5 lectures we have studied in detail about the use of article a, article an and article the in the respective with the respective rules. So today we are going to study such nouns in our routine conversation, communication, written mode, we can't use there any type of article. So such section we say as no article sections. So in which cases articles are not used, that we are going to discuss here in short. For example, when we think about nouns, nouns are of very types: general nouns, common nouns, proper nouns, and so on. But beside all this, there is also a abstract noun. Abstract noun means maybe you might have heard somewhere. Abstract noun. Abstract nouns म्हणजे जे दिसत नाहीत असे nouns मूर्त असतात, दिसत नाहीत असे nouns. म्हणजेच फॉर एक्झाम्पल, we can't use in front of such abstract noun any type of article. For example, there is one example I will give you, then you will come to know. We long for peace. Because peace is one noun, but which type of noun is this? This is the abstract noun. So, before such abstract noun, we can't use any type of article, because peace is an abstract noun, and in such nouns, because we can't count it, because article a and we use in such type of nouns. For example, that must be a singular noun, that must be a countable noun, singular and countable, and that begin with vowel sound and consonant sound. That is the different matter, because pa is a consonant sound, but we can't count this noun as one, only singular. Means we can't say a peace, एक शांती आम्हाला द्या असं म्हणत नाही आपण. शांती means the peace of mind, मनाची शांतता. आपण म्हणू शकतो का मला शांती एक दोन असं म्हणू शकतो का? नाही. म्हणून हे peace is an abstract noun. In such abstract nouns, in front of such abstract noun, though it begin with consonant sound or whatever may be vowel sound, we can't use there, because peace is an abstract noun and we can't count it, one thing. And it is not also, we say, the definite one also with this example. Along with this, there is another example of such nouns, such type. We simply use we breath, air. We can't use article an or anything else here, because this air also is a abstract noun, and so in front of such mass nouns, abstract nouns, we can't use, because these are the, we say, abstract nouns. Then the mask nouns means air, milk, and so on. We can't use, because we can't say give me a milk or give me a air or an air. A is a vowel, so we can't say an air. So milk and airs, parameters of their use and measurement and counting are different. So such mass nouns, such we simply say such mass nouns, we in front of such mass nouns like air and milk, we can't say give me a air or we breathe an air. We breathe air. We can't say a year, 2 year, 3 year. No, one thing. And in front of such diseases, before the names of most diseases, Also we can't use articles. For example, in front of diseases also we can't use any article. For example, there is one example in the book: cancer if detected early is curable. Cancer if detected early is curable. So we can't say a cancer or and or anything else, because cancer is one type of disease. We can't count it as एक कॅन्सर जो लवकर कळाला तर दुरुस्त केला जातो असं आपण म्हणू शकत नाही. कॅन्सर असेल, हेडॅक असं, वी कांट से अ हेडॅक. बॅकॅक, वी कांट से आय हॅव अ बॅकॅक, म्हणजे बॅक पेन, अ बॅक पेन असं म्हणत नाही आपण. माझं डोकं दुखतंय, माझं एक डोकं दुखतंय किंवा एक कॅन्सर असा आहे की जो बरा केला जातो असं नाही. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल कॅन्सर, हेडॅक, बॅक पेन और एनी टाइप ऑफ डिसीजेस that we simply use them as no article, means in front of such diseases nouns means diseases, cancer, headache, back pain and so on, we can't use any articles. Mean in search of mass nouns like air and milk, abstract nouns like peace, we can't use the articles. And beside these abstract, mass and diseases, we also couldn't use article in front of collective nouns. In front of collective nouns also we can't use any article there. Collective nouns such as humankind, society, humanity. Collective nouns such as humanity, society, mankind, and so on. So, in such cases, we can't use the article and or the. For example, we simply say this is a great service to humanity. Here we can't use any article because we simply say this is a great service to humanity. We can't say this is a great service to a humanity. असं म्हणू शकतो का आपण? नाही. This is a great service to humanity. We can't say a humanity. One thing. Another example, will society forget such a will society forget such a will society forget such a great person. अशा मोठ्या माणसाला सोसायटी विसरेल का? मीन्स विल अ सोसायटी आपण म्हणू शकत नाही किंवा विल द सोसायटी म्हणू शकत नाही. फक्त सोसायटी असो किंवा ह्युमन काइंड असो, हे कसे आहेत? कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन्स आहेत, त्यांच्या पुढे आपण लावू शकतो. Beside the use of such collective nouns like humanity, society, humankind, and so on, in phrases with preposition by showing means of transports and transmission, means in front of such phrases or the, which are used by the prepositions like by. We also can't use in front of such phrases which along with which are used by the preposition, there also we can't use. For example, Mansoor came to the city by train, means means of transport जे असतील in front of such phrases असतील जे used by preposition सोबत येतील अशी. म्हणजेच the purpose is where in the case of we use in the case of transport. So in such cases we simply say Mansoor came to the city by train. Mansoor came to the city by. We can't say there is no need to say by a train. Mansoor came to the city by train. We can't, there is no need to say he came to the city or Mansoor came to the city by a train. There is no need to use article in front of the nouns over here. And the second example of this type is that you can go by car. You can go by car. Just you suggest to anyone, you can go by a car. By a car. There is no need to say a car because तुम्ही कारनी जाऊ शकता. असं म्हणायची गरज आहे की तुम्ही एक कार घेऊन जाऊ शकता, गरज नाही. तुम्ही कार घेऊन जाऊ शकता. Means there is a choice. So you can go by car. There is no need to say that you can move, go, travel by a car. You simply say you can go by car. You can go by train. You can go by train, car, motorcycle, cycle or anything. So no need to specify you can go. You can travel by a car, a train, a motorcycle. No need. The same like Mansoor came to the city by train. So in such cases, if you face, came across or such examples came and asked in the examination, you simply say no article there, means there in such cases we can't use any type of articles. Means no article section is beside this we also use no article section in front of the general nouns if they are in plural, because the rule of use of article a and the is that we use article a and in front of the common general singular noun. But if there is a common noun but it is a plural, for example children, doctors, fans, tables, we can't use any article over there in such type of nouns, like means common but plural nouns, children, table, tables, umbrellas. We simply say I found an umbrella. We can't say I found an umbrella. Means plural nouns can't take any article. Means like for example, I simply say I found a pen. A pen we have used because pen we can count it, singular it is, and it is only one and countable. But the same time we can't say I found dash pens. I couldn't say I found a pens. I simply say I found a pen and I found pens. So this is one thing, means in such cases like oranges. We simply say, bring an egg, bring an orange for me. But I can't say, bring an oranges. I simply say, bring oranges for me, bring lemons for me. I can't say, bring a lemons for me. So, in such cases, for example, I say simply a lemon, but I can't say a lemons. Means I simply say, bring lemons for me and bring a lemon for me. So, in such cases, we can't use article a and. So, this is the one information about the article a and. So, dear students, in the coming class, we will highlight the another example section tomorrow. With this brief, I stop here. Thank you very much.